here's my go-to drone shot list for travel videos. If you combine all of these shots every time you fly, you're gonna be able to create more compelling travel stories. The first shot is gonna be a wide shot. This is great because it's gonna help you establish your environment and your scene with your audience. The second is gonna be a top-down shot. This is gonna be great for symmetry and showing patterns. Number 3 is my favorite. It's the parallax shot. It's going to allow you to focus on the subject and show depth while the camera is moving. Number 4 is one of my personal favorites, just a low altitude shot. And this is really going to allow you to just look at the world from a different perspective, kind of like a FPV, but not really. But it's going to allow you just to show motion and how your drone can move across a space really quickly. The last shot is going to be a hyperlapse. This does require a little bit of patience, but once it comes together, it's a really unique shot to show the passage of time. So if you get these shots every time you fly, not only will you have enough footage to create a story, you're going to have a variety of clips to work with or even license in the future. For more tips on how to get the most value out of your drone, follow this page for more tips and tricks.